Hey everyone, happy Friday and welcome to the end of the second week of classes. Your placement essay results are available on Turnitin.com. And if you need help figuring out how to look at that and access the information you need today, this should help you out. So first of all, you'll need to log into your account on Turnitin, and then you want to click on the assignment name, just like you did when you went to submit your document originally. That should bring up a screen that looks similar to this one, where you can see the blue Submit tab is kind of a faded color or grayed out perhaps on your screen. And that's because the deadline has passed, so that's no longer an option. That's not something you can do. Next to it, you'll see a View tab, and that's what you want to click on. So on this screenshot, it's a kind of brown color, but perhaps on your screen it's blue. Either way, they take you to the same place, right? So that will bring up your document, okay? So I will pull up, this is a sample document, and it was created by one of the Writing Center staff members and for the purpose of sharing it on Turnitin. So it's not a student essay. I wouldn't ever share that. That would be unethical without that person's permission. So anyway, the next thing you want to do is once you have your screen pulled up showing your essay, you want to look over here on the right-hand side of your screen, okay? So there are 3 layers of feedback that you get on Turnitin. This blue layer gives kind of global concerns and different things like that I have put comments on your paper or your draft, sometimes formatting, things related to the assignment, but anything here that appears as a blue tab, that's something that I have left for you on Turnitin. The red section is the originality report, which deals with where your sources came from or where information came from that you are using in your essay, whether you should or should not be using it, including other student papers and papers you might have submitted to Turnitin before. This bottom layer, the purple one, that deals with what we call more localized errors, grammar, mechanics, spelling, punctuation, things like that. And that is generated by Turnitin.com and left on your essays. So we'll talk more about those in next week when we look at how to view more feedback and what to do with that in your after action review for the placement essay. But right now, I just want to make sure that you realize you have to have these turned on. So if I'm clicking here and I'm just turning them all off, you can see the layer icon for each one is now in black and white. So today, make sure at least the blue one is turned on. So it should be a blue and white image there. And then you can see that added the tabs over here and comments that deal with that type of comment. What you're looking for then is something at the top of your paper in this area here, the upper margin, or right here along the first line on the left or right hand side. And in that tab, it should have the word placement. So it may say placement concern, placement result, something along those lines. And then what you want to do is you want to click on that. And I'm going to just click on this tab here as an example. And it will bring up more information about your placement results. Okay, so that's how you view what the results of your essay are, whether or not I think you're placed correctly in the right class, where along that scale you might be according to this writing sample, and then, ways to contact me if you need to have a conversation about that today. So thanks a lot. Bye.